Welcome to my YouTube channel. Mentang awan rak syapi, ya kene ke video, ya ke jingkeren jong u si yang badan buram jongi ukon rat kisang ma. Namar ba hakatu kesi ba KSU kiwat kenra ya kikot kisla yakin bardela kibatrai bakta ki nong bela hapuk jong mereka jela. Ukon rat ukuran kumto, belai ukuran kumto. Kat ba ya kami kali ba uong ba kadai kari kaba free kadai katusbin aba ong free di kadai katusbin em kat ba bread em kat ba lej ba wande ukuran haduk kata ka jingmut free kamul ka thau shibun bah ki jing iyo namar ya ka free ala banle kumno uong ba dan kam bentalasi ya kikot kisla namar ba ka sorkar hi ka don lada don kam la register hi da ka sorkar bat la register hi da utu kontrak lada lara mano don kam bentalasi da kiseng bhalang ne kino ki NGO don kam bentalasi ya ki nongwe ki barung ba sa hapo yung kanila namar ba don ka ai kemut kata ka jing talasi ke jongi ka dai ka jing persya ia kata ka ain ke baka sorkar kalabu bat ka dai kata ka megalia ka ba free open to all coming here at Meghalaya kata ka jing ong jong u siyam haba usiyam Ukraine kumtu ban penslur yaki bar jela ban rung sepo jongka Meghalaya jongka jela te ngi paj ba ngi long kumno sa paji naka daw ba ki paj ba kasi kila paj ba siya ka WPP bat ka trang ba ya ka WPP menta layo iha kani ka election MP ka sorkar lane ka NPP uni UCM uday NPP kelas dang banda penmi sedakum ne dakum tai namar ba ka parti ki jongki kenang ba kin yo bot na kitu ki badla ki badon basa hapu jong kane ke jela ta kadaw ba ki keren kumtu no sa perhat ba nang ni sikmat wat nom ya bi spasyu wat nom ya khawai shu akapur election kenang ba don shu kum kine ki jai brio ban ngas ngolong ngoro ba balai ki kasi ki basun rop hapo jongka neka sorkar kebayalam da u konrad ki sangma balai claim yu nang tu claim withdraw nang tu balai hendai enthai ki kasi la dayo censar ko kasi ki apan claim tang steng snem balai yo garo pat PI lat kup tu balai ki keren kat bamon ya kajela ban pedrung pensa don kami kata ka ILP uong hana ba don tang ya ka ILP ki le solution tang hapo assembly balai claim tut chatai ka jing shal ka dai ban yo ru balai u claim shem lane tarai ba don kam usiem jongki jai ban ru garo ki bachong basa hapo jong ne umai kali jongi lada dang jin char usiem ubana sagaro hil wat nom yakhi ILP shu hapo jong ne jela don kam shu kit khai bat ki gar hil don kam ILP nata kadaw ba ka ILP hapo jong kami kelia la ban wanra ba ba ka sarkar India ka ai ya kata ka ILP namar ba kawai ke jai ban ru kam don kam kawai ka don kam tang na kata daw ba ka ba ban ai perkar ba nan sakman treshu ban sinsa do gar ya kano parti ke babat do gar treshu wat num tep shu nang ni sakman kam tanya ko WPP ka UDP bet ka SPDP kituri ki parti rilum tang kanam nrei ka kampat dai ya katuru ke parti ya kitu baru atli Kabha kam don shu apo jong kri ke jelar nang ba wit ke wit kai ke pit ba ki kabha man klep no ek tu kalama nyong ka UDP bet ka SPDP nan kam shu la ban ye contest la da bun than ki sing rilung bu bet tang ye ka wipi lada yak lada imru ngin chane satang ye ka wipi la lum ta don jakashu balai king kona rukun kum tu abang ki pai ba ngi kwa ba ki bar jelangin be no na kapu jong ni jela handre ki ba he ba hai kia kudup hi kum tu te ni le kum no king abang ni kum abang yu i kum tu pai ba ya kan ke jing keren jong u kon rat mo pai ba bat sa bicar ba hakano korkom bat kum no ukran ya kato
A1, and it's the Labour Department that looks into all these aspects. So, as I said, there's no work permit or nothing like that, but registrations are mandatory, and this is done, and this was done, if you recall, from all aspects. Number one, as I said, to provide safety for the respected individuals and laborers also, and also to keep a full database of the different laborers who are working in the state.
So what we have seen, the KSU, they are intensifying this checking, what they call as work permit, checking on work permit, based on the fact that they have alleged that the government has failed to implement ILP and MRSSA. And question number 2 relating to this, how many major projects of the government have been stalled due to this checking by the KSU? Because they have sent back so many migrant laborers citing that they don't have work permits.
So you have got a lot of facts incorrect. Let me just mention that to you. Number one, nobody is authorized to check these papers. That's number one, and nobody can. Of course, there are incidents where individuals go or organizations go and all, but that is not as per the law. So therefore, they are completely on the wrong side of the law when they go and check. And just to inform that the government and the police has in fact filed cases against, 4 cases have been filed, FIRs have been filed against different organizations who have done this in the past few days. Number 2, you've mentioned that that individuals have or organizations have mentioned that government has failed to implement the ILP. There is the question of implementing the ILP doesn't arise because ILP has not been passed or not been implemented or not been enforced in the state of Meghalaya. We have passed a resolution in the state assembly that urging the government of India to implement the ILP in the state, but that has not been cleared yet. So the question of not implementing it doesn't arise. That's number 2. MRSSA is a fact, again, you are aware that we had passed the MRSSA, made the amendments in it, but it was at the governor's level, and governor had then sent it or mentioned that it should be sent to the central government, Home Ministry, for President's assent. And accordingly, we had sent it. They had sent back and asking us to look into different aspects, which again, we are examining those aspects and seeing how to move forward because a lot of points have been mentioned by government. So the question of non-implementation doesn't arise. Regarding the question of different projects being stalled, no project has been stalled because of this kind of, checks, whatever they call it. I wouldn't call it checks. They are just simply coming and intervening and trying to, disturb these projects, which is not correct. These projects, whatever projects are going on, are in the interest of the state and the people. If anybody has any concerns and issues, they should follow and they should ask their departments to find out and give a list. And of course, if anybody has any concerns, we're ready to inform and give them the information. But as I said, taking the law in their own hands and going and do the checking, social checking or whatever they may call it, is something that is actually